That's
And
it.
there's that
You've
one
done it.
row done.
Yes, so what we have here are a bunch of children in Paisley Bridge who are playing a series of games that I've designed in order to teach them about the local wildlife.
Well, we're playing a game of where you have to match up different bird sounds and match. The first game that I played was about, there were these squares with some question marks on, and you had to tap on them, and it's sort of a bit like Snap, because you had to get exactly the same bird and then they would disappear. I think that it's good because you can learn that which birds and I'm learning about what sort of new bird sounds and what they look like.
My favourite bird song would probably be the robin, because it's a little bit like a chatter. It sounds quite talkative and it's different pitches.
I came along today to learn more about birds and their calls. It was really good and it was the best experience.